Let's take a look at some research in the area of ethics. I told you that I'm a CPA, so one of the publications that I read pretty regularly is the Journal of Accountancy. In June of 2014, they went through and they put together the results of some of this ethics research that had been done, and they tried to draw some conclusions from it. So the first study says in the 1980s and 1990s, companies were primarily motivated to have an ethics and compliance program to show that they were socially responsible and to guide employee behavior. So that sort of used to be the way that we would think about ethics. We would think about ethics in terms of being socially responsible. So we want to show that we are socially responsible to the outside world. And we also want to use it to guide employee behavior. That was the important part. While we used to be guided more by trying to make sure that employees behaved in a particular way, now we're more motivated by this kind of overarching idea of we want to teach people to do the right thing and by legal compliance. I think this is kind of an interesting result. This is an interesting turn, an interesting shift in our thinking. No longer are companies trying to tell employees, this is what you need to do necessarily, but now, at least according to the research, it seems to be that they're trying to teach their employees to do the right thing, trying to get them to not sort of not think, but trying to get them to think and to figure out, okay, what is the right thing to do in this particular scenario?